BBA day, BBA evening, and MBA executive and 1-year MBA. Dhaka International University frequently arrange these types of occasions. Almost every month, every week, we arrange orientation, farewell, we arrange workshops, seminars, symposiums. But today's occasion is a special one, is an exceptional one, because it has a distinctive characteristics. And this is because we have among us a giant academician, a great leader, a person who, due to his extraordinary academic qualification and other qualification, has now become already himself an institution. He is none but the chief guest of honor of today's occasion, Professor Dr. Misbahuddin Ahmed. At the very outset of my speech, I like to show my gratitude to Professor Dr. Misbahuddin Ahmed, who consented to give us some time out of his extremely busy work schedule. Then I like to welcome the freshers, and I also like to show my gratitude to the freshers because there are almost 57 universities in the country who are offering the similar or same courses. Out of this 57 university, you choose us to serve you for the next 4 years or less, as the case may be. And we are grateful to you that you selected us. Few years back, we used to do our orientation in a small classroom. I myself was attended on those occasions, and I feel very low. Then we decorate a 150 capacity auditorium that soon sounds smaller, and then we decorate this 400 capacity auditorium, and still we can see it is not sufficient or inadequate. So that reflects the expansion, the rapid expansion of the faculty and the development of the faculty, and this is done because we have among us a great soul, a great academician. He is none but our favorite guardian of the university. He is not only the guardian of the business faculty but also guardian of the entire university. He is our favorite Professor Salim Bhui uncle. Business administration is the oldest faculty of the university, and